You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact. Tinubus plan to neutralize and dismantle Ipob in replacement for Nnamdi Kanu's freedom fail. Ima powerful exclaim. Why you no go fail? I told the people that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the chief planner. wait. I see. Let me tell people something. Tinubu has his personal reason why he still left Nnamdi Kanu in that very detention. Forget what he's saying. All the time we say he is willing. I am willing to release Nnamdi Kanu. All those ones are stories. You understand me? They're all stories. He doesn't want to release any Nnamdi Kanu. Look at it. In this very content, Tinubu sent some security task force to the southeast in Imo State. And these task force are very popular task force, the ones they call the Operation Udoka. You need to see what they did to the people they call the suspected members of the Ipob. They have never caught the real Ipob before. They are the ones they always capture is suspected. That is what all they call them, suspected. And at the end of the day, they will now discover that they are not truly IPOP members when they have already made a mess of the innocent people, innocent youths. You see? Well, the Joint Security Task Force in the south is in Imo State, with the code name Operation Udoka, has neutralized four suspected members of the indigenous people of Biafra. It's also suspected people that they catch, and its armed wing, the Eastern Security Network. Five other suspects were also arrested during an ongoing operation aimed at dismantling militant camps in the state. The task force comprising personnel from the Nigerian Police Force, Armed Forces, Department of State Services, and the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps targeted a camp at St. Peter's Anglican Church, Eziama Obiato, Mba Itolu local government area. Security officials said the church had been repurposed as a hideout by the group led by a wanted figure, Monday Olochukwu Ogo, also known as Before 4. Okay, during a press briefing at the operation site, Brigadier General Usman Lawan, commander of the 34 Artillery Brigade, Obinze, Commissioner of Police, Aboki Danjuma, and Brigadier General Joseph Ogbonna, Special Advisor to the Imo State Government on Security Affairs, expressed satisfaction with the operation's success. They revealed that the security forces recovered 8 motorcycles, explosive communications devices, and other dangerous weapons linked to the group. Explosive devices planted in the area were safely detonated. The security chief described Eziama as one of the strongholds of criminal elements in the state, noting that symbols and flags of Biafrans were found mounted at strategic locations. The operations has reportedly helped restore calm to the community, which had been under siege for months. Symbols of Ipob. That is what they use for identification. See, let me tell you, all these things are set up to delay the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm telling you, they keep using the emblem and logo as an identity to fake membership, to fake their membership with IPOP. Well, I am not surprised because even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said it that uh, they are detractors. Yes, that's what he called them. Because a real IPOP member knows the rules and regulation guiding the indigenous people. They don't engage in any violence attack. They are defender of the helpless. You understand? And that is one of the reasons why they are formed. And agitators for Biafran freedom. You understand? So I don't understand what has just been said. Even what they always say, especially when they say IPOP engage the police on sporadic shot in a violent shot, a violent attack, in killings and all of that. Anyway, dear listeners, this is Verdict TV. It's a pleasure having you once again. I really appreciate you all. All right. So please, I would like to hear from you on this and to know what your own opinions and what your own take could be. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.